Oh, hey there. Inertia Wave team here. Just on my way for a nice good bike ride through the trails. Got my Inertia Wave. Let's see how many places we can hook up the Inertia Wave. And follow me. Let's go. Already found a pole here. Don't have two, so I'm going to just hook up the one band. Still effective. Grab it. Wait. All right, found a tree. Let's wave. Got the trees. Get waving. Beautiful. Let's go. Found a road sign. Let's wave. Great setup for the Inertia Wave. Well, everyone, thanks for joining me. I'm on my way. There's no excuses to get waving with the Inertia Wave. There's so many possibilities to hook it up. Trees, poles, lots of anchors. Easy to take with you, on the go. Wrap her up, and you're on the way. Bye for now, eh?